Today I'm showing you how to use the Medela Quick Clean Steam Bags. If you are short on time but still want your baby bottles to be squeaky clean, this little bag is your best friend. Step 1. Wash your bottles and parts. The steam bag is not a replacement for washing. It's an extra step for sterilizing after you've cleaned everything. So, very important to remove those little bits of food or milk and to wash and rinse everything before actually putting it in the bag. Step 2. You are going to add 60 milliliters or 2 ounces of water. Pro tip, if you've got one of these hospital bottles, the top fill line for these is exactly 60 milliliters. So if you are running low on sleep, if it's dark, I've had to read a lot of these bottles in the dark, and don't use less water than that. I'll show you in a minute, but it's really important for it to be 2 ounces. Step 3. You're going to place your cleaned bottles and accessories inside. The bag lists what fits on the lower backside of the bag. For me personally, I fit one wide short bottle, one tall thin bottle, plus the low flow vents, nipples, rings, everything like that. It's pretty snug, so don't overfill it or it will not seal properly. Step 4, seal the bag. So you're going to seal it tight. Yes, very annoying sound. Definitely like a very heavy-duty Ziploc bag, but you're going to want to make sure it's completely sealed, or else the sterilization won't be effective. The water won't be locked in, and it won't come to the correct temperature. Once it is sealed, you are going to check the microwave power level on your microwave and whether or not it has a turntable with the chart on the bag. If you're not sure what power your microwave is, like I didn't, you can look inside the door. There was a little sticker on mine and it said it was 1100 watts. So I did 3 minutes for mine.
Oh, watts.
When you remove the bag, it says to use an oven mitt. I used my patent pending invisible mitten. Link in bio if you're interested. Step 6, you're going to want to drain and finish. After steaming, you're going to want to find the drain port. It's going to be on the upper edge of one of the sides. There's a little caution sign there. And that's where you're going to pour off the excess water. So if you remember back to a couple steps ago, there was 2 ounces of water that you were going to add. You'll see now that I'm pouring it out that most of that is gone. And when you open up the bag, you can see the condensation that has gathered on the inside of these parts. So we know that it worked. Everything is sterilized. Each bag can be used 20 times. I like to mark mine with a Sharpie and add the date. I actually got a couple of these from the hospital in my take-home kit, but you can buy packs of 5 online. If you would like to grab a couple for yourself, I have a link in my bio as well as the pinned comment of this video. Leave it open completely so that it can dry before the next use, and that's pretty much it.